Hi everyone and welcome back to Paradise.
Ay, José, por favor.
I can honestly say the weather's better than England. 34 were what we're seeing the other day. Today we've seen 23, but I mean, sort of one of them things where you're like, is it or isn't it? And on top of all that, we've got a busy week. We've got a fair few people over. Jamie and the gang are over again, so don't say we'll be bumping into them. On top of all that, old schoolmate of mine, who, I ain't even since I'm trying to think when it was I finished school. I think last time I saw him, year 13 prom. So, good to be able to see Dylan again. End of week is the fellas as well. And of course, St. Patrick's Day, so busy day, then Sunday we're meeting Anne, so rather busy. And on top of all that, they've started to work upstairs again. Beautiful view of the beach today, though. I'm not sure if that'll come out, but just sort of like up there, sort of top of the hill, but famous Benidorm cross. Anyway, so back to what I was saying, lots of stuff to do this week. Still got some bits and bobs as well we need to sell, so but still gonna try do as many threads as we can. I mean, then again, if we get what we've got sold, could come down to the factor sort of videos becoming more like when there's something on. That's something I ain't seen for a while. Kai Beach and the Cayman Lounge, both pretty full. Getting a rave. Few raves there. Yeah, both bars pretty full today. Surprisingly. Think now the weather's sort of warming up a bit, they will be getting full. Illegal scooter riders coming down, but cops won't do much about it. Anyway, news. Benidorm news. You probably saw it on Facebook the other day. There were a police chase in Benidorm. You wouldn't believe it, guys. I mean, you come to Benidorm, think it's a nice, quiet holiday sort of destination, but there were a full-on police chase. Had it all the way down Avenida Mediterraneo. Apparently came down onto the front as well, and apparently he's been rammed into by the police, hitting a lamppost. I mean, honestly, thank God no one really got badly injured, because I mean, it could have went that way. Think only a few coppers got injured, but I mean, 5 coppers injured, but I mean, you think of how many it could have been if, like, there hadn't have been stuff to sort of stop people down here. Right, it would have been worse. What did he even do anyway?
You got some dodgy telly.
Yeah, he was doing dodgy telly boxes like the English TV over here in Spain, and that's how I just stopped him. You're late to your wedding, pal. That is what I love about Benidorm. Lad in a full-on white wedding dress, walking along the front, and well, no one really cares.
For you, Marcus.
I mean, then again, but this time of year, maybe April, can't remember, but I did get dressed up as a baby and went down to the beach, so I don't know. I can't really remember, but still, great video. Copacabana looking empty, and as Mog said on a few videos he's done of it, we kind of doubt it will ever get up to the standard of what the Western Saloon used to be.
Saloon bar that used to be, Marcus, for the Western Saloon.
Yes, saloon bar. It'll never get up to the standard of what the saloon bar used to be, I mean.
You see it out in the back.
Yeah. We used to have numerous nights in there. Trying to see what time I'm on. Not too bad. Anyway, got another cooking video coming out soon. Hopefully it goes to plan, because I really have not got a clue how to do it, so maybe next video you see will be Matt, Mike and Scooter Sue in hospital with food poisoning.
You did curry again, Marcus?
No, not doing a curry again.
That was very nice, that curry last week.
Yeah, I don't really want to tell you what I'm doing yet. Just,
Don't they?
I'm hoping it'll be something that goes to plan. I've had a few more ideas as well. Also, hoping within the next few days we'll be making a start on the cocktail vids. Got the no name bar there. Good thing about the Fanti and Poniente front, as well as the Cala front, is you're not too far away from bars, so if you're hungry, like nip off the beach somewhere, go grab a cheap burger, or maybe you might fancy a bit more traditional Spain, sangria and paella. Or maybe you just want a coldish drink, like get out the sun for a bit. All great bars. Many of the bars on here as well do show live entertainment sometimes, as well as all your live sports. So if you're wanting the footy, you can be able to find it. Good thing about Benidorm is most hotels or bars they will show most of your football matches, whether it be something a bit sort of basic, such as Carlisle vs Accrington Stanley, if they're in the same league, or something a bit better like Newcastle vs Man U or Liverpool vs Man U. You can find the matches. And another great thing is few of the Barcia fights as well. Boxing, UFC, sort of thing. Think I'm gonna end down by Ortega's 3 sort of thing. See how busy that is. It's gorgeous weather again today, and apparently it's only gonna get hotter. Think sort of mid-week getting up to 30. So fingers crossed. And fingers crossed as well, people can get over there. Still a fair bit of snow over the UK, yeah? Anyway, Ortega's 3 just there around the corner. Great if you're wanting to just do some people watching or something. Smash that like button, smash the subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Adios.